Hello, today we will guide you through how to upload, read, and scan images with Google AI Studio. In this walkthrough, you'll learn how to open a fresh prompt, switch to the right model for image understanding, bring an image into your chat, and run it so the model can describe, read, or scan what it sees. I'll keep things clear and practical so you can follow along smoothly. Start by going to Google AI Studio in your browser. This opens a new chat workspace where you can interact with an AI model. The interface is simple, a main canvas in the center and a prompt box at the bottom where you'll type or attach content. Next, click on Gemini 3 Flash Preview. This selection loads a fast, vision-capable model designed to handle images as well as text. Choosing this option ensures your session is prepared to analyze visuals, extract text from pictures, and answer questions about what's in an image. Now click on Images. This tells the studio that your session will focus on image inputs. You'll see examples and presets that demonstrate how image prompts work, including how the model can describe scenes, read labels, or identify elements in a photo. Choose Nano Banana. This is a sample image prompt card that opens a ready-made setup in the chat window. It's a convenient starting point because it's already configured for image analysis, so you don't have to build a prompt from scratch. Think of it as a template you can swap with your own image in a moment. Look for the plus sign near the prompt box and click it to attach an image. The plus icon is your gateway to bringing files into the conversation. It's placed right where you type, so you can add visuals without leaving the flow of the chat. Select Upload Files. This opens your system's file picker so you can choose an image from your computer. Common formats like JPEG and PNG work well. For the cleanest results, pick an image that's well lit, in focus, and cropped, so the important details fill most of the frame. Avoid uploading anything containing private or sensitive information. Browse to your sample image, highlight it, and confirm. You'll see a small preview appear in the chat area, which means it's successfully attached and ready to be processed. When everything looks good, click Run. The model will analyze the image and return a response directly in the chat, typically describing what it sees and, when applicable, reading text or highlighting notable details. That's it. You've uploaded, read, and scanned an image in Google AI Studio using a fast, vision-enabled model.